Thanks, Hazy. And as you mentioned, a big win for the Zalmis today by 7 wickets in hometown of Lahore Qalandars. So important points scored on the points table for Peshawar. Now, before we announce the winners for the awards today, I need to introduce my presentation party, starting from my immediate left, His Excellency Mr. Faisal Karim Kundi, Governor of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Thank you for joining us, sir. Ms. Sobia Chughtai, Head Corporate Risk, HBL. Mr. Asif Aziz, President Enterprise Solutions, Jazz. Mr. Ehsan Khan, on behalf of Exchange On. Mr. Sajid Hussain, Authorized Dealer of Inverix Solar Energy. Mr. Sheikh Hamid Mahmood, on behalf of Homage Appliances. Mr. Kashif Anwar, on behalf of Go Lutlo. Mr. Abdul Hanan Shahid, hockey player for Homage Appliances, Hamare Heroes. To begin with the awards, I need to request Mr. Kashif Anwar to please present the Go Lutlo Scan Karo Jeeto Motorbike Award. And today's winner is Tahira Aslam. Tahira is the winner of the motorbike. You won every game. Abdul Hanan Shahid is an international hockey player representing Pakistan and currently serves as the captain of the Pakistan junior hockey team. Renowned for his exceptional talent and leadership on the field, Hanan has rapidly emerged as one of the brightest prospects in Asian hockey. He was named Emerging Player of Asia in 2023, received several prestigious awards and accolades this year, including Best Player of the Junior Asia Cup 23 and Best Emerging Player of the Asian Champions Trophy 23. Requesting Mr. Sheikh Hamid Mahmood to present the Hamare Heroes powered by Homage Appliances, cash award of 2,40,000 to Abdul Hanan Shahid. Representing Pakistan at this young age and getting awards, deserving awards, as I already mentioned. I'll now request Mr. Faisal Karim Kundi to please present the PCB Moment of the Match trophy, and that goes to Luke Wood. So, sir, if you could just step forward and present that award for the 2 wickets Luke Wood took in the power play to dismiss Asif Ali and Daryl Mitchell. Thank you. Requesting Mr. Ehsan Khan, who will be presenting the Exchange On catch of the match. And that was one brilliant catch for the 200,000 award for Abdul Samad to dismiss Daryl Mitchell down at the boundary. Having great game awareness, the boundary awareness, and was a high, difficult catch. Now Mr. Sajid Hussain will present the Inverix Solar Energy Energetic Batter of the match, and that's 200,000 rupees award goes to Babar Azam, the captain of Peshawar Zalmi, for his 56 of 42, 7 boundaries and 1 6 in that innings. Babar batting right till the end, making sure that the team crosses the finishing line. Mr. Asif Aziz, please step forward and present the Jazz Superpower of the Day. Cash award of 300,000 goes to an all-round performance from Hussain Talat today, who stood his ground with his captain for his 47 of 36, 4 boundaries and a 6. And he was superb today and deserving award for the Jazz Superpower of the Day. HBL is celebrating a decade of HBL PSL with Zabardast Khel. Joining us today to present the Player of the Match award is Ms. Sobia Chughtai, Head Corporate Risk, HBL. Ms. Sobia will be presenting the HBL PSL Player of the Match cash and trophy and 500,000 cash award to Alzari Joseph for his 3 for 23 in his 4 overs. He was a key factor who put Lahore Qalandars on the back foot in that power play. And once he's received his award, we'll also have a word with Alzari. Superb bowling performance from him today. Alzari, if you could just be here on the mark. Thank you so much. That's so nice of you. Alzari, HBL PSL is known for fast bowling and bowling attacks through the different seasons. How has your experience been this time around with Peshawar Zalmi?
Yeah, it's been pretty good so far. It's a really good experience. So for me, it's about learning what I can learn and how bringing my experience here to this tournament.
Have you been doing a lot of adjustments as a bowler from one venue to the other? You feel that there's always something available for the quick men?
Yeah, there's always a different challenge, you know. So far we've played 3 venues. So each venue brings its own challenge. So for me, it's about, you know, sticking to the plans and keeping it simple.
Clearly been enjoying that new ball out there for Zalmis. How was the outing today? Of course, 3 for 23, brilliant bowling. What was your key focus in that power play bowling?
Yeah, it was pretty good. There was a little bit of an offer. The ball was moving a bit laterally, a little bit of slow bounce, so it was a bit difficult for stroke play. But for us, it was just about keeping it simple and hitting the right areas.
A superb spell. We thoroughly enjoyed it. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Azari Joseph, the player of the match, and now I'll request Babar Azam to come and please have a word with us, the winning captain for Peshawar Zalmi. बाबर, बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट जीत थी टीम के लिए भी, टूर्नामेंट में भी, क्योंकि जिस तरह मैचेस गुजर रहे हैं 2 पॉइंट्स बड़ी अहमियत के हामिल हो गए अब टीम के।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। बिल्कुल, जिस तरह आज टॉस पे भी मैंने ये कहा था कि हर मैच जीतना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि हर मैच जो है वो आपको डिफरेंट प्लानिंग और डिफरेंट माइंडसेट से खेलना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि अब कोई गलती की गुंजाइश नहीं है। और बिल्कुल मेरे ख्याल से जिस तरह बॉलिंग ने रिस्पॉन्स किया, फर्स्ट 6 ओवर्स में हमने डोमिनेट किया, और जो अज़ारी और वुड ने स्पेल किया वो मेरे ख्याल से गेम चेंजर था।
एज कैप्टन आपको लगा 44 पे 6 आउट थे वो और 20वें ओवर तक गए हैं, आप मिस कर रहे हैं 5वां स्पेशलिस्ट बॉलर, या आपका ये कॉम्बिनेशन आप खुश हैं?
देखें, कहीं ना कहीं आप मिस करते हैं, लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से आप जब कम्बिनेशन देखते हैं पूरा टीम का, तो आपको यही लगता है कि ये बेस्ट कम्बिनेशन है, क्योंकि हमारे पास 2-3 ऑलराउंडर भी है। सैम भी बॉलिंग करता है, आज सैम ने भी जो है वो बॉलिंग नहीं की, लेकिन हुसैन तलत और मिच भी बॉलिंग करते हैं, तो हम कोशिश करते हैं कि उनको भी यूज़ किया जाए। लेकिन मोस्टली ये कि अपनी जो बॉलिंग है उन पर रिलाई करते हैं। और मेन चीज़ ये है कि अगर आपके पास 5 बॉलर भी हो, जब आप एग्जीक्यूट नहीं करेंगे प्लान्स को, अपने प्लान्स को फॉलो नहीं करेंगे, तो वो फिर भी आपको उतना ही होगा। लेकिन मेन चीज़ ये है कि आप प्लान्स को कैसे एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं, पिच को कैसे असेस करते हैं, किस तरह से आपने इधर बॉलिंग करनी है, तो वो डिपेंड करता है।
130 एक ऐसा टोटल इस पिच पे आई थिंक ज़्यादा रन्स थे, तो आपके लिए पर्सनली एज अ बैटर ये ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी थी और आपने उसको अवेल भी किया वो इस रिदम को हासिल करने के लिए।
बिल्कुल, जब स्टार्ट हमने किया और अर्ली ऑन 2-3 विकेटें गिरी हैं, उसमें फिर ऑटोमेटिकली आप पे प्रेशर आता है। लेकिन मेरा और हुसैन तलत का यही प्लान था कि हम इनको बिल्ड करेंगे, 10 ओवर्स तक हम अपना नॉर्मल गेम खेलेंगे, और उसमें जो हमारी शॉट्स होंगी उस पर हम अपने आप को बैक करेंगे। और मेरे ख्याल से हुसैन तलत ने जो इनिंग खेली है वो मेरे ख्याल से डिफरेंट थी। जो डिमांड थी, जो उस टाइम पे टीम को रिक्वायर्ड थी, सिचुएशन को रीड किया, और जिस तरह वो उसने अपनी गेम खेली, मेरे ख्याल आउटस्टैंडिंग था।
चलिए, मुबारक हो, आपकी बैटिंग अच्छी रही एंड प्लस सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट टीम जीती है।
Alhamdulillah, thank you.
Quick, just tell you what questions I had from him. Of course, feeling that was he unhappy 44 for 6 and then going down to 20th over? He feels maybe we should have finished it off earlier. And he says that I'm pretty happy with this 4 specialist bowler combination because that suits us. And finally, the question about his batting. He feels that it was a fine outing for him and he felt confident finishing the game off for his side.
Sikandar, thanks very much. Right, just a reminder about the standings at the moment. Zalmi at number 1, Kings number 2, Qalandars are at 3, Zalmi at 4, so nothing's changed there apart from the points. They've now joined Qalandars on 4 points, so it's locked in the middle, and there's 2 teams at the bottom, Gladiators and also the Sultans, 2 points apiece at that stage. But what Babar Azam was saying, had they got the runs quicker, maybe that might have changed as well, the order of that table in the middle as well. Now, match number 15, Qatar Gladiators versus the Karachi Kings. That's this venue as well, Lahore. And there's going to be 10 to 8, and we're going to start. That's it for our overseas viewers, for our Pakistan viewers. Stay tuned for our Pitch Side show. Hope you enjoyed the action. We'll see you tomorrow.
I gotta be killing the beat. They call me king of the street. ऐसा कभी देखा ना flow. मेरी गेम मेरा है शो. आगे आना पीछे से वार कर. मैं खेला तो टीम तैयार कर. आजा तेरी लाइफ बना दूं. फिर से अपना गाना सुना दूं. रोज मचा शोर, आज कुछ होना है. रात भर जाग, आज नहीं सोना है. कल की फिक्र में इस पल को नहीं खोना है. आज फिर हो जाने दो जो भी होना है. दमादम मस्त देखो, आज मेरा एक्स देखो. ऐसी मेरी वाइब देखो, कैसा मेरा फ्लेक्स देखो. ओ किंग ऑफ बंगड़ा एक कोई है. सारी पब्लिक नु ऑन बोर्ड करके धमाल सारी